Welcome. If there is any font you like but you don't have it on Microsoft PowerPoint or equally Microsoft Word, here is what to do. Just go to any website out there to download the font. But to start with, I'm going to be using Google Font for this. Let's go to Google Font so you can see Font Google. Okay, so let me go back to PowerPoint and type a word. I will go for text box and click and type water, for example. Then I can increase that. Okay, I can give it we go for a shape format, text field. We'll give it this color, and then text outline, I will give it something like this, black. Okay, so this is what we have. Let me go look for a font here, Alpha Slab 1. I will go for that. So Alpha Slab 1 is not actually here. Alpha. So let me go look for that font online. Okay, I will go to font.google.com and I will go for the search bar and type Alpha. Okay, Alpha Slab 1, that is what I want to use. So I will go ahead and click on that font and then go for download family. I will click on that. So here I will go choose a folder where I want this to be saved. So I'm gonna be using this folder, and I will go for save. Okay, so once that is done downloading, you can see it down here. I will go click and go for show in folder to go straight to where I have it saved. So here is where I have it saved. So what I can do here is to right click and go for view large icons. Okay, so here is the Alpha. I will right click on that and extract here. Go for extract here. So I will go for that. So here we go. So what you have to do right now is to go right click on the extracted file. Okay, then copy. So here what you should do is to go locate your local disk. Okay, there are many ways to do that. You can go through the PC, then go for your local disk. Okay, as you can see here, or you can use the search bar and type this PC, then go click on that. This PC, you will be able to see your local disk. Just double click on that and go locate Windows and click on Windows, then scroll down and go for fonts. And once you're here, do not right click on any of the available fonts. Just outside at the middle, just right click and go for paste. And here is our Alpha. As you can see, we have it. So the next thing to do here is you can go restart your PowerPoint or your Microsoft Word for the effect to take place. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do next, so we can have this reflected. So right here I will go for the font and look for that. So we have it here, alpha already. So that is it, simple and straightforward. So this is how to upload a custom font to Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. Okay.